Hey y'all, so your girl is back for another one and another one. Okay, so up next we're about to tackle shoes. Oh my gosh, I've been a shoe fanatic all my life. Blame my grandma. Okay, grandma has boxes of shoes to her name, and I was kind of groomed to be a shoe fanatic pretty much because she was shoe and purse fanatic. Anyways, I'm done babbling. Let's just jump into it. So let's start down here where y'all didn't see, which are my quarters. Why do they feel heavy though? Oh, these boots for sure have to get ghost. Gotta go. My favorite sandals. These work for me. They work. Up next, I'm yet to wear these, but these are the heels that I feel like I'll ever get to wear because the heels are so low and I have bad feet. So I can't wear stilettos like all the other girls do, honey. I care about my feet, and because I do now and didn't earlier, this is why we have to go this low. But they cute. They cute though. Yeah, try it. Do I wear these? Maybe. We got two pairs. I love cheetah print. Okay? You've never seen any like these and probably won't ever again. Oh my goodness. These I love so much. These just gotta go. They gotta go to the trash. I'm gonna look up a way to actually clean these off if I can, but right now it's not looking good, coach. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, this is gonna hurt my feelings, yo. These are another pair of cheetah print. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so painful for me. Why? Why do we have to give these away? I forgot I had them. And if you forget you have a pair of shoes, then that's a sign that you need to give those away. Next is these beauties. It's not good for my feet at all. So sadly, we may have to give these away. No. These are actually comfortable. I love these shoes. This is gonna be hard for me, y'all. Y'all ain't got that by now. This is gonna be real hard for me. Some of these shoes, I'm just like, I have these. Oh my gosh. So these are the yeses and possibles. These are the decision makers, and this is what we gotta get rid of. So these are the maybes. Let me move this out the way. These are the no's for sure. The no. And these are the maybes. Or these are the maybes, and these are the decision makers. Decision breakers. Nope. Give it away. I love these. Anywho, gotta give them away. These we gotta give away. Got cute pictures in them, and now it's time to give them away. My favorite brand tennis shoes. These I'm gonna clean, and we will give these away. I love these so much, love them to death. But it's probably just time for these to go. These are another pair of Supras that I just bought. Wore them, once? Honest to God, probably won't wear them again. Goodness. Okay, as you can see, I got these from Just Fab. I've worn them maybe 4 or 5 times. Loved every bit of it. Enjoyed them very much. But it's just time to give them away. Another pair of Just Fab shoes because so cute. I took a picture of these. They're just extremely too high for me, for my liking, and we just gotta get rid of them. And this is why I bought these, because these have more stability than this heel does. If you would come with me in this closet, and I'm gonna show you the rack of shoes that were hiding under all of these clothes. clothes that used to be here. Starting from here, we have a trusted pair of black booties that I love so much. It's just time to give these away. I've replaced those with these cute babies. Scoot those over, move them over, move them over. And let's go ahead and make room for our other shoes that we're keeping, because that's what this is about. These shoes, another set of wedges. I've had these for years. They gotta go. Up next, honestly, don't see myself wearing these again. End of story. Up next, we have these. I wore these with my red graduation dress. So cute. Everybody loved my outfit. I love my outfit, obviously. It's just time to give these away. I wore these once and probably won't wear them again, if I'm honest. Never wore these, mainly because I didn't have the foot stuff for them. So now that I do, we can keep these and move them over to the side, honey, because we will put those to work. I love these cute little booties. I like them a lot, and we'll keep them. They want to sit like that, so we're just gonna let them sit like that. Wore these once, not too crazy about them actually, so we're gonna get these away. Ooh, let's move on to this side, because I only have a couple of pairs over here. These, I love these things. Probably keep on, hold on to them a little bit longer, but I feel like if I hold on to these, then I might want to get rid of the ones that we're questioning down here. These I just bought. Just some stylish looking shoes. They have cheetah print on them, just a little bit. I'm gonna keep these. We're gonna get rid of these. Oh, it hurts my soul, it does. Ooh, I know I'm gonna get rid of, because these are just old and worn. More beach shoes that I don't need. These handy dandy sandals on the metro. Yeah, they look gross and disgusting, but they're super comfortable when walking and just commuting in the summertime. So we're gonna keep these, because she ain't gonna buy no more. These, I'm not crazy about them. We can toss them. These, another pair that I've had for years. Whew, we can move on. We'll toss them. These I just wore yesterday. Love these things. Love the detail on them. We're gonna keep them. I've worn them quite a bit, and they don't even have the same form, as you can tell, since before I had them. So, time to toss. Uh-oh. Flats that I love so much. We'll keep these. These are a favorite. I love these things. They're so cute. They're all brown and black on the back, worn and disgusting looking. But for the most part, they serve their purpose. So for now, we're gonna keep those. I love these things. They're cute, but they kind of look crazy on my feet when I wear them sometimes. So we're gonna get these babies away. Cute. Not entirely comfortable, but very cute. I'm gonna get these away though. These I got from Forever 21, and they go with everything that I could possibly think of. We're gonna keep these babies. These, cute. Will I ever wear them again? Probably not. These, cute. I just kind of feel like Dorothy when I'm wearing them. We'll toss them. These I just bought because if you notice, I don't have a pair of regular white shoes. So cute. Had to get them. Couldn't pass them up. Sperry's. These are my trusted Sperry's. What do you know? Love them. These, I actually wore maybe twice. I hate to give these away, but I feel like that may be the case. I envision them fitting me like these did, but they don't. And I'm not too crazy about them, so we can toss these. These are the military wear shoes. So we'll just put over here. Crocs that I haven't worn since I was pregnant. To keep. Cute, but not my first choice to wear. These, just bought. Another pair of flats that I really love. Very comfortable. Freaking nail polish on them. And I was never able to get it all out. The go-tos for black sandals. Not the real Birkenstock, but good enough for me. I feel like before I leave though, this apartment, we'll have to do another clean out, and all this stuff will not be going with me to my next apartment or next destination, period. I love these. Statement pieces for sure. These sandals have been my ride or dies all summer long. She's keeping them. These are shower shoes. We'll keep these. Ben had these Old Glories for quite some time, and it's just time to get rid of them. I feel like if I have these, then the black sandals that I still have with the nail polish on them, can get rid of these now. These are the cute quilted knee-high boots, and we'll keep these. These boots I've had for years. It's time to get rid of them. It's time to give them away. Or is it? Okay, so we gotta decide, y'all. We really have to decide. These for sure I know I'm giving away. These right here. Cute. Just gotta go. Gotta go. Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video. If you haven't seen my part 1 closet purge, head over there now, where I actually have sorted through several clothing items. Oh, don't make me choose. It sucks to choose. If you did see some really cool pieces in this one or my last video, then head over to Poshmark. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.